On the following problem, we have a division. We have a polynomial divided by a binomial. We are going to be working with the long division. We're going to place the first polynomial inside. And we want to make sure that we're not missing any exponents. We have x to the fourth, x to the 3, x to the second, x, and then the number. So let's see. We're not missing any exponents. We have all the exponents that are available. We're not missing any at all. We're going to write them down. Outside we have a 2x plus 5. And now we just go through the process. We need to find out what do I need to multiply 2x to get 4x to the 4th. So 2x multiplied by what will give me 4x to the 4th. That'll be 2x to the 3rd power. And now I'm going to multiply it out. 2x to the 3rd times 2x will give me 4x to the 4th. 2x to the 3rd times 5 will give me a positive 10x to the 3rd power. And now I'm going to subtract. But instead of subtract, I'm just going to change the sign for both. That's a positive becomes a negative. That's a positive becomes a negative. This first term should always cancel out. That will give you a negative 4x to the 3rd. Bring down the next number is positive 2x squared. Now, go through the same process again. What do I need to multiply 2x to end up with negative 4x to the 3rd? So 2x multiplied by negative 2. This is an x. I need x to the 3rd, so I need 2 more x's, x squared. Now, it is important that you guide yourself through the answers. So the first one should be 2x to the 3rd, which is correct. The second term, it's a negative 2x squared. So negative, so it's either A or C. It cannot be B, it cannot be D, because that should be a negative. Now let's go and continue on. Let's multiply it out. 2x squared times 2x will give us a negative 4x to the 3rd. Negative 2x squared times positive 5 will give me a negative 10x squared. Now we are going to subtract. We're going to change the sign. That's a negative becomes a positive. That's a negative becomes the opposite, a positive. First term should always cancel out. That will give me a 12x squared. Next, bring down the next term. That's a positive 16x. And we're going to go through the same process. What do I need to multiply 2x to get 12x squared? That'll be a positive 6x. Positive 6x. So it's either C or D. That's correct. Now, by any chance, if you get a different number that's not 6, you know that you need to go back and fix it. At this point, so far, so good. We go repeat the process. What do I need to multiply 2x to get 12x squared? That'll be a positive 6. And positive 6. Well, actually, I already have it here, right? 6x times 2x will give me a 12x squared. 6x times positive 5 gives me a positive 30x. So I already had the 6x there. Now, I'm just going to change my sign. That's a negative. That becomes a negative. First term should always cancel. That gives me a negative 14x. I'm going to bring down the next number, negative 25. And go through the same process again. What do I need to multiply 2x to get negative 14x will give me a negative 7. And they both have a negative 7. Multiply it out. That will give me a negative 14x. And negative 7 times 5 gives me a negative 35. Change the signs. Remember, you need to change the signs for both. That becomes a positive. That's a negative becomes a positive as well. First term should cancel. That gives me a 10. Positive 10. So therefore, there should be a positive 10 with the denominator of 2x plus 5. The remainder is 10. So therefore, your answer is positive 10. So that's positive 10. So your answer is letter A. And that's your answer.